Welcome again. This is Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for being here. And I have good news. I have great news for Jamaican football, for JFF. So the Jamaican Football Federation, this is big news, absolute big news. And right away, Mr. Whitmore, you should be on this. Without a doubt, all those big neck guys, you should be on this. I'm so sorry that I have no contact to any of you guys, but this is something that you guys should be on right away. Immediately as this news break out, you guys should be on it. So, first thing first, hit the like button. Hit the like button, guys. This is really crucial to me. Guess what? Micheal Antonio wants to play for Jamaica. He's ready to play for Jamaica. He's ready to switch allegiance to play for Jamaica. And this is very impressive in my perspective. And he's a very good player, really good player. And the stake that is on his head right now, because he's playing for West Ham, leading goal scorer for West Ham right now, and he's really willing to come to Jamaica to play so that they can make an attempt to play in the 2022 World Cup in Qatar. But if you should track back and relax, think about it. England team, you have Harry Kane, you have Dominic Calvert-Lewin, then now you have Vardy. These are the type of players that are in there, but better believe it, yes or no, that Micheal Antonio is big enough, is a quality player to play for the English Premier League first team. Because if you should see the work that this guy is doing in the Premier League for West Ham, it is magnificent. So I'm going to read the article so that you guys can get a better understanding of what is happening, how this news came about, and what is really trending at this moment. So listening. The West Ham striker has previously been in England squad for both Sam Allardyce and Gareth Southgate, but has never actually played. He was in fact the only uncapped player to be called up by Allardyce for his one and only game in charge of the national team. Back when he was playing as either a right back or a midfielder for the Hammers, but was an unused substitute, so he never get the opportunity to showcase his talent. Antonio has since switched to a striker for his club side to great effect, but has remained out of the England reckoning since March 2017, when he backed out of a Southgate squad with an injury. So according to the Telegraph, the 30-year-old is set to accept a call-up from Jamaica. A call-up from Jamaica. Well done. Well done. They play the friendlies during next month's international break, but the paper says the World Cup qualifiers in September are more likely. So no friendlies. We already know that March is off. March is basically off. But in September. So let's see if by about August he's training with Jamaica. Hopefully this is over the line. Hopefully this is over the line. Now, the Reggae Boyz attempted to call Antonio up to their squad 2016, but he chose to concentrate on getting called up for England. Wrong decision, my man. Wrong decision. So, his 6 goals in 14 starts in the Premier League this season, following on form the end of last season, where he scored 8 in 7 appearances, and has helped David Moyes' side in top 4 now. So, if we should get a prolific goal scorer like that, because we know, rest in peace, Luton Shelton, we know that your contribution has now been sealed in the Jamaican archives. But guess what? Hopefully, Antonio can come and create his own legacy. However, with the likes of Harry Kane, Dominic Calvert-Lewin, Danny Ings, and Tammy Abraham. Tammy Brent, go and sit. You're not as good as, even though you're younger. Yes, you're younger, but you're not as good as Antonio right now. So, in front of him, Harry Kane and Dominic Calvert-Lewin and Danny Ings. Yes, these guys are prolific, and they are scoring goals. So, it will be real complex, but guess what? There's always an opportunity for a striker like Antonio, because of his playing style, how he approaches the game. These are the type of style, you know, that whenever the game is going wayward, you can throw on Antonio and he would just bully the defenders and maybe create something in the latter stages of the game. So, guess what now? The emergence now, this is the problem. The emergence of Patrick Bamford and Ollie Watkins Al Watkins also likely ahead of him, and it's doubtful it's doubtful that Antonio would get the call up for England squad anytime soon. And at age 30, it is best if you can seek it somewhere else and get it. So, for example, like I've seen so many young players now switching allegiance from the England squad, going to other countries to play for them, because when you stick around these big countries, even though yes, the profile is right, it really hampers your career in relation to your national career. And you know that you need to making appearances for a national career is always really important as a player, getting capped and also becoming maybe a captain for your national team or whatever case scenario. But it's very important in that case. So hopefully the JFF are on this case and really trying to seal this deal, and I'm hoping that Whitmore and those guys really sit down and sort something out for this man, because we know a striker like of this caliber and ilk would really suit what we are doing and our staying play, the fast, aggressive, and also the demanding, high intensity. We need this. We need these type of players. So Antonio will likely be in the squad when the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers start against Mexico and Costa Rica later in the year. That's later on, about maybe in the May, June, those times. He will join the likes of Ravel Morrison, bad baller, Bobby De Carda, Dover, wicked baller, Fulham, Reed and Leon Bailey. Don't know. Leon Bailey himself, Bayern Leverkusen top baller in the Theodore Whitmore squad. So Whitmore, I'm begging you, please, get this done as they attempt to qualify for just the second time. Come on, we're not even talking about the first time now. We're talking about what we're going to do now. And as a Jamaican, I am happy for this. I am really happy for this. Now, remember now, Whitmore, there's one more. Ivan Toney at Brentford. Ivan Toney at Brentford. Remember that name. So, guess what? And if Arsenal should make a bid for Toney and he come and play for Jamaica, so automatically he now would kick away all other footballers. It doesn't matter who they are. He represent my country and he's also represent my team. It doesn't matter who they are. It could be Thierry Henry, Carzola, Fabregas. I will dismiss all of them for that footballer. Reason being, he plays for my country and he plays for my team. He automatically will become an ambassador to the country. And in my point of view, that would be very, very integral and an emotional aspect of football for me. So that would affect me. So hopefully, remember Ivan Toney. So I'm hoping that this would work out, because the likes of Bobby Reed and Leon Bailey, these guys are world-class footballers. Not say Bobby Reed, but we know Leon Bailey has the potential to become a world-class footballer. Just consistency. But Bobby Reed is really building himself right now. Ravel, bad baller, working his way up as well. So hopefully these guys can pursue him to get the deal done as fast as possible. And we'll see how best this will work. So hopefully this can go through, because this is massive for Jamaica. Last time I've been in the World Cup was 1998, and I was a youngster then, so I didn't watch it, but I know of the commotion and all the noise and whatever. But this time I am a big man now, and I can see and I can enjoy it. I want to enjoy. I want peace of the World Cup. I want peace of the World Cup. So guess what? Thank you very much for tuning in. Hopefully you hit the like button. Hopefully you like this content. Guess what? Micheal Antonio to Jamaica. This is one of the best transfers, in a long while for Jamaica. JFF, thank you for this one. Guess what? Military Guna TV, I am out.